Okay, we just got this Frigidaire 50 pint dehumidifier, 4,500 square foot coverage. It's supposed to be great for large rooms and basements and has 1.7 gallon bucket capacity. These do also come in different sizes, everything from a 22 pint all the way up to a 60 pint, depending on the size of your room. But here at the end, we'll turn it on and get it going so you can hear what it sounds like. It might sound a little bit louder, but that's just because it's in our basement. It actually sounds pretty quiet from the upstairs.